Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to see how to make a two-ingredient ice cream. So let's start. In a clean bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Start to beat the whipping cream using a hand or stand mixer at high speed. Beat it until it forms medium stiff peaks. To this, add 1 can or 400 grams of condensed milk. Mix this until it is well combined. So now you can see the texture. Put it in a container and keep it in the fridge until it is completely thick. Your ice cream is done, it's ready to be served. Please enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe